Yes, we're back with another season. We're up into season 16 of Total Drama Island. So it has been 4 Total Drama Islands. So let's meet our contestants for the day. First we have Big Giant Beth. We don't have an extra sheet, so I think we just cut them out for this from that art book. Okay. We have brand new contestant, Beth. And returning, Jeff. DJ. Lindsay. New contestant, Lashana. Another new contestant, that is Noah. And with the host of Total Drama Aftermath, Bridget. Owen and Justin. Sadie. And Katie. We have Courtney. Ezekiel, our new contestant. Trent. Izzy. Another new contestant, that's Eva. Ow! My knee! Heather. Cody. Oh, you look kind of like different. Well, I just cut out my face and then I got the wrong way. Well, okay. Looks like you've been taped it together. Anyway, Duncan. Oh, I hear some sound of thunder over here. We're just stopping on the way. And Tyler and Harold. Okay. So you're up to the 22 campers. So we're gonna combine you into 2 teams. One's 11. All right. The first team is Beth, Bridget, Sadie, Izzy, Katie, Gwen. What else is the glue on it? Owen. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. We need 4 more. The 4 contestants will be Lashana, Eva, DJ, and Lindsay. You will be the muted Gophers. What? Whoever who calls it a muted Gophers. Gophers. Okay. So for the other 11 contestants, Tyler, Justin, Noah, Jeff, Courtney, Ezekiel, Trent, Heather, Cody, Crazy Cody, Duncan, Harold. You will be the Screaming Bass. Just like season 13. Okay. It's now time for our first challenge. Muted Gophers, you're up. some muted goldburs. So you is our station. Some glass here in the muted goldburs. That one is a screaming bass. So it's time for your first challenge. The first challenge is with that fridge. This diagonalist fridge is full of exercises. Guess what's inside? Ice. Because it's no one. Okay, so you will have to fill the fridge with these. Those stuff that I'm facing the camera with. Now you have 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Oh no! 3, 2, 1, and good job, muted goldburs. You're safe from elimination tonight. So, it's time for elimination, but there can only be one sending home. So, I only have 10 marshmallows. The first marshmallow goes to Noah. Jeff. Justin. Trent. Tyler. Cody. Duncan. Harold. Heather. Campers, this is the final marshmallow of the night. It's Courtney. Ezekiel, you are out. And you're going to go to the dog of shame of the chef. That is impossible. All you enjoy your marshmallows. With only 21 contestants left, who will be fun and who will be nice. Later on the next episode of Total Drama Revenge of the Island.